Ka sitting MP jong ka Tura Parliamentary seat ka Agatha sangma, ka badairu ka kertong jong ka National People's Party NPP, bat usaleng sangma u kertong jong ka Indian National Congress, kila Thep kyrteng na kabenta ban yakun ya ka MP Lok Sabha. Kani ka election siya ka yingdor bar thau ain Lok Sabha, kan long ha ka khat khandai terik yayong.
I actually feel that yet someday the major movie opposition is trying to talk about, and that is why Nagai Nagde Mutamko Janapena. I mean, I feel that this election is all about continuing the path of development, and I feel that because NPP has given such these 6 years wonderful performance in its government, and me being a member of the NPP and being a member of one who belongs to the NPP, it is a and Mandirang Manga Ula Odi, it's a sign that chief and the entire NPP is something that is accepted by the continuing on ensuring that we generate more employment for our people, working towards sustainable development, working towards inclusive growth. These are things that I have always believed in, and I have always wanted to be a part of it.
Ma'am, another thing is if